You use the word essence, and it's kind of interesting. That was my first question to you. What is the essence of? Is there one essence for everybody, or are there different essences for each person?
Different, but when we use the word essence, what we mean by it, and this is our poignant, powerful, particular, dramatic, emphatic, and accurate description or definition of essence. Now, we don't care what Webster thought. This is what we mean about essence. Everything that becomes a fact or a reality was a vibrational reality first, and that's the essence that we're talking about. In other words, it's the vibrational frequency to which you are wanting to align. That's the way we mean it. Of course, you could be focused upon negative things, and you could have the essence of those negative things active within you before they manifest, or you could focus upon what's in your vortex and have the essence of what is wanted present within you before it manifests. But the essence is the vibrational precursor to something that later you call a reality.
So does it change, or is it constant?
Constantly changing. It's constantly changing. In other words, let's say you don't have a house, and in not having a house you really want a house, and in not having shelter you really want shelter, and not having warmth you really want warmth, and in not having a floor you really want a floor. And so in living in a place not having it, you're asking, and so the essence of all of that is coming about. So then you move into your house and you have walls and a ceiling and a floor, and it's comfortable, but once you get in it you realize that you want windows and doors, so to speak. In other words, from every place you stand, there is always contrast that takes you into yet a more defined, purified, distinct, precise, forward place.
So when you croak and you go back into source, and then you reemerge, you reemerge in a different place with a different essence.
So let's talk about this. So you were with us when we were talking about you were non-physical energy. So now let's say you were non-physical essence. You were non-physical essence. Essence meaning the culmination of all, a vibrating, and we're only using the word essence in order to make a distinction between the vibration and the manifestation. So you were a non-physical essence, and you projected the essence into the physical, and your mother and your father and her womb made you a reality. So now you're more than the essence. Now you're splat, a baby. and now you are the manifestation of the essence that was projected, you see. And so now, oh, this is so good. So now here you are in this physical body, a reality, in this physical body, a reality, sifting and projecting an essence, an essence, an essence, an essence. And now your non-physical essence is continuing to expand because of the physical expression. You like this? And now the essence that was you before you were born, that remained you while you were born, is becoming more of an essence now that you have born. Now stay with us. We're going to leave out your manifestation part just for a moment. And then let's say you croak from your physical and reemerge into the full essence of all that you have become, ready to project the essence back into the physical again, you see. You're getting the sense of how this works?
Expansion. That's what you're talking about.
It's eternal expansion. But if you can get your thoughts wrapped around the essence of who you are, in other words, the essence of who you are is one who loves. And when you defy the essence of who you are with hatred, you hold yourself apart from who you are, and you deny yourself the emotional benefit of being at one with who you really are. In other words, when you're a lover, you just can't hate. It hurts to hate. It's very painful to hate. But you know what? The more you hate, the more you ask to love. So the source within you continues to become more Or the more humans who hate, the more their essence is love. That's why they get meaner and meaner in their hatred, because they get separated further and further. So what's happening? Both parts are moving, aren't they? Because law of attraction is causing an expansion of both aspects of them. Very good discussion. What more?